An Enterprise number 750 grinder. I just lubed it up a little bit, so it's a little wet. It's already hooked up to a Kenmore AC motor, and it works, believe it or not. This boy is 6 1/4 inches by 6 1/4 inches. It's a nice perfect circle. I think these came with a hand crank initially, and it could be used as an all-purpose grinder to grind meat, coffee, bone, just about anything. It's mounted on a seriously thick old piece of wood. Again, this is an old Kenmore. It's got a 12-inch metal wheel on it. And let's give it a listen as it rides here. I'll plug it in. Cord's a little decrepit.